Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, brothers, sisters, and friends. We are going to know about Prophet Haroun. So, dear friends, Prophet Haroun was born in 1238 BC in present-day Egypt and died in 1361 BC at the age of 123. He was 5 years older than his brother Prophet Musa. Haroun is mentioned by name in the Quran 20 times. In the Bible, he is known as Haroun. When Musa was commanded by Allah to go to Firawn, he made dua for Prophethood to be bestowed on his brother Harun, so he could help him. Allah reduces this dua in the Holy Quran in Surah Ta Ha. Friends, Moses said, Lord, lift my heart and is my task for me. Unite my tongue so that they may understand my words and give me a helper from my family, my brother Harun. Augment and strength through him. Let him share my task so that we can glorify you much and remember you of God. You are always watching over us. Haroun was a gifted speaker and would often speak to Musa, who suffered from speech impediment. He was largely responsible with teaching the Israelites the way of worship as it was laid out in the Torah of that time. Islam holds that Haroun held no part in causing the Israelites to worship the golden calf. Rather, he was overpowered and was threatened with being killed by his people. When Musa returned from the mount, he immediately blamed Harun and seized him by his beard. But Harun then gave his explanation, after which Musa prayed to Allah to forgive. Amr bin Sa'd bin Abi Waqas reported on the authority of his father that the Prophet ﷺ said, you are in the same position with relation to me as Haroun was in relation to Musa, but with this absolute differences that there is no prophet after me, mentioned in the Muslim Hadith. He was largely responsible with teaching the Israelites the way of worship as it was laid out in the Torah. In Urdu they say that Torah. Of that, Islam holds that Haroun held no part in causing the Israelites to worship the golden calf. Rather, he was overpowered and was threatened with being killed by his people. His wife Zubeda and his children were Pleasure, Abiyah, Nadab, Itmahar. According to one Islamic tradition, that the tomb of Haroun is located on Jabal Haroun, mountain of Haroun, near Petra in Jordan, with another tradition placing it in Sinai. Egypt also hosted several great prophets, including Sayyidina Ibrahim, Sayyidina Musa, Prophet Yusuf, and Prophet Sayyidina Haroun. So friends, we have to know about our prophets, names, biography, his life, tongue, and birthplace and died place, and their tongues also. So friends, now Allah Hafiz.